Hi, welcome to my craft room. So today I have this month's Quiltybox, and this is November 2019. So I got the tape cut, but I haven't opened it, so let's dig in. It's not huge, so we're going to get this box out of the way. This is Quiltybox Bundles of Inspiration, featuring Heather Ross. Here she is. Here's the cover. And here's a message from Patrick. Let's see. This tells you what's inside the classic Quiltybox. It says meet your featured artist, Heather Ross. And it has some Q&A with her. Once Upon a Time by Natalie Crabtree. That's cute. Directions for that. This tells what's inside the paper piecing quilting box. And then we have another pattern, Fairy Tale Doll Quilt by Paper Pieces. It's 18 by 22, and it looks like it has a pillow with it. And then we have the directions for that. Then we have Stepping Stone Quilt by Pineapple Fabrics. That's interesting. I don't really know that I like it or not. It kind of messes with my head. This tells what's inside the Quiltybox Mini. And I'll have links for all this down below. Here's the Magic Chain by Jenny Baker. That's interesting. And then there's products in the shop. You can buy past boxes when there are any left. And then other sewing and quilting supplies. And here's the subscriber spotlight, Jennifer Thomas. And then a sneak peek for next month's featured artist, and that is Krista Moser. So let's see what we got here. Let's get to our product page. Okay. So, got 4 cute, nice little items. One of my favorite scissors, the Tim Holtz Tonics. These are tiny size. I have the large ones that I love, and I'm happy to get the small size because these are really great scissors. And it's got like a little thingy here. Let me see if I can get my scissors. Okay. And here they are. These feel a little flimsier, or not as heavy as the other ones. Yeah, these are a little flimsier. But hopefully they still cut good. I would have liked them to be a little heavier. I don't like that they do this. It's like the first thing I did was it's going like that. Anyway, I don't want to say anything bad about them yet. I haven't got to try them. I do like them. I think they're a little flimsy. Other than that, we've got some thread. It is cotton, number 12, made in Italy. Oh, and the Tonic scissors. It says Tim Holtz Mini Scissors. Retail price is $11.99. I'm sorry, I got dark clothes on today. It's kind of hard to see. And this is our thread. It's 100% cotton. Let's see what it says about it. It's Aurifil thread. It's $4.99. Here is the number. I hope you can see. Yeah, I think it focused. It's 2530. It is 50 weight. And that's all I can read right now. So that's a pretty pink color. We've got some Clover Gold Eye embroidery needles, number 3 through 9. Clover Golden Eye needle, retail value $2. And now the fabric. This is Wyndham Fabrics Far Far Away 2 by Heather Ross. See how colorful it is. It's a fat quarter bundle. Here is UPC if you're interested in that. It's called Far Far Away. So tape on there when I cut the box open. Oh, I can never get this plastic. There we go. So this is, where is it? Oh, this top one. Far, Far Away 2 fabric bundle. The retail value is $30. And then, let's see, they retail valued the bundles of inspiration book at $10, which included the patterns and the Once Upon a Time pattern. So it's 30, 40, 55, like $55 value. And I don't remember how much the box is. 29 or something like that? Let's see, let me try to open this a little bit. You can see the design on it. It's like a little, oh, it's like Rapunzel. There's the castle and her hair going all the way down the tower. That's cute. And it's a pretty green. I like this green. I'm not a fan of some greens, but I do like this one. Okay, now we have a yellow one, and I guess that's Rapunzel also, but she's like inside the castle opposed to looking out the window. And they're resting or something. It's a pretty yellow. Very springy colors. And we have a gray one, and now she's in bed sleeping. And her slippers are by the bedside. That's kind of cute, actually. Let's see what's on the blue one. This one I see a cat, a cat and an owl, I think. And a little boat. And it's the same pattern all over it. And it's got the little sun or moon. It doesn't look too happy. And we got a purple one. This looks like it's the cat and the owl again. So it's just the same design with purple. Let's see. Here's how different it looks with the two different colors, even though it's the same. And we have this coral color. And that is a paper hat. And the one boat has a flag. A paper boat, which can also be a hat. I believe I remember doing that as a kid, folding it up, wearing the hat, and then you could put it as a boat. There's some roses on a coral background, which is, I like the color in the background. I'm not thrilled about those flowers, but I do love the background color. And this pink is pretty, and again, not thrilled with the pattern, but I love the pink. So that is everything. I think the best ones, I mean, I like all the colors. I like the Rapunzel ones the best. The cat and owl's okay. And we have our needles, hand needles, thread, and scissors. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!